Well, hello YouTube, it is me, Tri-State EDC, with a flat rate box from David V, right? David the Fifth. David V sent me something recently, and I don't remember what it was, but he sent me another thing. Always just loading me up, filling me with joy, if you know what I'm saying. We're gonna get in here. I think he might have told me what he was sending. I don't remember. I don't recall. I never do. But let's get in there together right now. That's right, David the Fifth. Thank you, my good man. Thank you so much. We need something a little fun. The Thoth, Concept Thoth. Been using that, carrying that. She's a good one. She's one of the good ones. Let's get in here. I need to clean it. Probably immediately. That's like vegetation juice, and that's no good. All right, we're good. We're Gucci. Anyway, let me in here. No left in there. What have you sent me, my good man? What hath you sent me, my good man? Ooh, the Avair. Oh, yes. We were talking about this recently on a live stream. Exceed Designs, titanium, Avair M390. Relatively affordable. Future me, under $200. Yeah, I was intrigued. Simple box, got a little sleeve, come off there. Magnetic. Cover. Ooh, Avair, Exceeds Design Co. It exceeds my expectation. Comes with the tool. I love that in the foam we have all the extra pieces laid out, including an extra lock bar insert. You talk about going above and beyond the Call of Duty here. Extra lock bar insert? Okay. Ooh, that's real nice. That's real nice. This is the Exceed Designs Avair. Very simple, clean, titanium frame lock, flipper only job here. We have this beautiful, this is the micro milled version with that really nice milled pattern on the titanium. Even wraps around the chamfers, very nice. Pattern on the pivot, really cool shaped pivot. Pattern on this little body screw back here. So I love that on the show side, there's really no visible hardware. That's a nice touch. On the reverse side, we have body screw, pivot screw. That's it. Deep carry pocket clip bolted onto the back, so that means that it is reversible. It is, in fact. Flipper tab, no jimping. You know, I like to see a little bit of jimping, but size comparison, pair 3, yoink. PM2, not a huge knife, pair 3 size. Right at. A little bit thinner. Yeah, decent amount, like 2/3 as thick as a pair 3. So good and thin. Really lightweight too. Let's pop her open. Bam, look at that. That is flat ground. In the pictures on their website, every time I see a picture of a knife on a website, Kaiser's the worst about it. They always make the knives look hollow ground, but they're not really. That's why it's very important to read, something I'm not very good at. But what are you gonna do? Can't win them all. You know what I mean? But that is nice, clean drop point with a swedge. We have a compound ground tip, so a little bit thicker at the tip. Or it could be the same thickness, it's just a different angle. I don't know. But anyway, really nice. Edge termination's all right. Could use a bigger choil. You're not going to get a ton of life out of that, but not a deal breaker. Plunge grind's kind of close too, but again, not a deal breaker. You can see the detemp ball track right there. See that little half moon right there? That's the detemp ball track. So crap can kind of get in there if you're not careful, but again, little things, minor annoyances, nothing crazy. Tons of internal milling to keep the weight down. Let's do an open size comparison for you. Yeah, just a hair longer, maybe right at the same size as a pair 3. Opened up. So solid, no issues. Again, great size for me personally. Moving right along. Ergos in hand. Yeah, super thin. Very reminiscent. It feels like a quiet carry. If you've handled any of like the base model quiet carries, the drift or the large drift, they feel super thin, super lightweight. Borderline flimsy. They're solid as rock, but they're so thin it's insane. That's how this feels. A little bit of jimping on the blade spine, nothing crazy, kind of soft. But yeah, in hand, sure. Choke back, hammer fist it, easy 4-finger grip for me. That feels fine, no issues at all. Get on that jimping, that feels okay as well. Nestling behind the flipper tap, no problems there. No finger choil, and you really can't trigger pull it, so choking up's kind of off the table. Pinch grip's like a 40%. You can do it. It's all right. It's all right. Pencil grip, sure. Yeah, that feels good. Write your name in cursive, no issues there. I don't know. Have I ever found a knife that, like, is bad at the pencil grip? I feel like they're all pretty good. Like, they're all, boom, right here, pencil grip. You know, maybe I have. I don't know. Anyway, lockup, solid. No issues there at all. Frame lock on bearings. How's the action? Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Delightful. Great. Super snappy. Hit it with the light switch. Pops right open. I always say, if you're going to give me one mode of actuation, it better be damn good. This is great. This is solid. I have no complaints here. Pops right open. Good access to the lock bar. Buttery smooth. Drops to the nail. Not even a one. If I can get out of the way quick enough, I can't. I can't. Flipper tab hits your thumb. Just nice and glidey smooth all the way home. It's delightful. Makes a nice little noise too. Little clicky clacky. Yeah. Isn't that nice? Now, isn't that nice? Lovely. Again, under $200, right, future me? Like $185? Titanium M390? Maybe two something? Low twos? Yeah, value for money was the main reason I wanted to check this out. Because it's exceptional. It's really good value for money. And it's built very well. The packaging, the whole experience, all the extra goodies you get too for that amount of money. It's crazy. Sign me up. Looking forward to more of their work. I know they have one. It's a frame lock with a utility blade on it. I'm not that interested in that, but this is nice. I think there's a Tonto version of this as well. Would like to see a sheep's foot or a warnie. That would be delicious. I might actually buy one. But links down below. I'm not affiliated with them, but that's a really good knife and very affordable. The Avair. Sign me up. Sign me up. Couple little tiny things. A little bigger choil would be nice. Hollow grind would be nice. Other than that, delightful. We got to cut something. Let me grab some paper. Let's see. The Avair. Will it cut? Oh, great. Yeah. Relatively average blade stock. You know what I mean? Average. Delightful. Nice and slicey. Hollow grind would be nice, but right out of the box, baby, this is yum yum. Delicious in my tum-tum. Am I going to eat the knife later? No, it doesn't belong to me. But don't tempt me. The Avair. Links down below. Check it out for yourself. Like the video, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, Patreon member. Hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, Facebook, Red Note. I'm out there. But that is it. Thank you, Dave. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.